Hello guys, LifeHackster here. Today we are going to check and test out Reolink's first battery doorbell. And to all Reolink fans out there that have been waiting for this, unfortunately this doorbell is not ready for prime time for a couple major things, but Reolink already knows about this. One is a physical issue though, and I'm not sure who has already bought this, and comment below if you have these issues. Also, I have a total of 3 doorbells that Reolink sent me. This is why you'll be seeing different doorbells in this video. And thank you Reolink for sending me these doorbells to be checked out. This battery video doorbell records in 2K quality, 4 megapixels, 2048 by 2048 pixel resolution at 15 frames per second. It has a 1:1 aspect ratio, 150-degree horizontal, and 150 vertical field of views. This also has HDR, which helps with video quality and high contrast situations. It has person, vehicle, and package detection. This is battery powered with 7,000 mAh rechargeable battery. And battery life, as per Reolink, it varies and depends on your setting and usage. The main doorbell that I've tested went down from 100% to 93% in about 3 days of testing. I did a lot of testing on this though, and you will see why later on. You can also wire this into your existing doorbell wiring, 8 to 24 volts AC or 24 volts DC. This will continually top off its battery, but also unlike Reolink's wire doorbells, it will also work and ring your existing doorbell chime. Please note though, when wired in, it will not record continuously or it will still use its PIR sensor for motion detection. This is a Reolink, so it records locally to a microSD card inserted on the doorbell itself up to a 256GB card. But you can also set this up and will record to Reolink's home hub, and they're compatible NVRs. This is wireless, so it needs Wi-Fi and can connect to either 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. So as to chimes, it can ring your existing chime when wired in, or you can add the Reolink chime, which is a separate purchase, or Reolink's home hub. And this is also compatible with Google and Amazon devices. It has quick replies.
Hi, please leave the package at the door. We'll get it later. Hi, we'll be right there. Please wait a moment.
I'm sorry. I think you've knocked on the wrong door. Hi there, I'm a bit tied up right now. Feel free to leave a message.
And is weather resistant with an IP65 rating. Inside the box, you'll get some paperwork and the doorbell itself. We have the camera lens, status light, mic, and the PIR sensor here, and the infrared LEDs and the light sensor. We have the doorbell button with a ring light, and on the bottom we have the speaker. On the back we have the terminal screws to wire this into your existing doorbell wiring. We have the on and off button, and we have a covered area for the SD card slot and the USB-C port. We have another box here with the angled wedge and the plastic mount, and we have the mounting screws and plastic anchors and the release pin. We have the USB-C cable to charge the battery. We have jumper cables here, which we will not use, and this is mostly for their wire doorbells. And we have extension cables and wire nuts. To set this up, open up the Reolink app, plus sign to add the doorbell, scan the QR code which is on the back, and you can connect this to the hub or by itself, which is the one that I'll choose. Configure with a QR code. Long press the power button for 5 seconds. I heard the voice prompt. So it can connect to either 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Type in your Wi-Fi's password, and it will generate a QR code that you need to show the camera. Wait until it gets connected. Type in a device password, name your doorbell, and it is set up. Also, just comparing the size of this doorbell to Reolink's wired one. We will compare the field of view footage later on. To install, screw in the mount using the 2 included screws. And bottom first, push in the doorbell to the mount until it clicks in place. Let's check the settings in the app. When you open up the app, you will see the snapshot from the camera. You can also toggle on and off the motion sensor here. Click on the snapshot to start the live view, which loads up pretty quick. In here, you can pause the live view, listen in, take a snapshot, or record the live view. Change the live view's quality, clear, balanced, or fluent. Quick replies, which Reolink has Halloween ones.
Busy carving pumpkins, leave me a message. Leave the package at the door and run, kid. Be right there. Has to shoo away some bets.
Or you can even record your own recording. Start two-way talk, which is full duplex, and playback. This is where you can view and download the recorded footage. And you can also sort out the events if you want to. Gear icon for the camera settings, battery life, display, stream. It records in 2048 by 2048, 15 FPS is the highest frame rate, and I also changed the bitrate to the highest also. And this one has HDR, which you will see later on. All the other settings are just like any other Reolink battery cameras. So let's start the testing. But first, let's dive into the first issue. And this is the first doorbell that Reolink sent me, and it has the 15th anniversary sticker, which they sent me probably 2 to 3 months ago. And this is one of their first releases. Unfortunately, this one has no audio. So they sent me two other ones, a black and a white one. And this is from the black one. And to make sure, I tested the third one, which now has audio, but not that great.
Battery doorbell, and this one has a 1:1 aspect ratio.
And at that time, Reolink suggested for me to poke the mic hole with a pin, which I did. And this is now the footage and audio of the black one.
So this is the video and audio quality of the Reolink Battery Doorbell, and this has a 1:1 aspect ratio and a 180-degree field of view. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the doorbell, and this is what it looks like when I'm close to the door.
Now the nighttime footage is from the unpoked white one.
So this is the video quality of the Reolink Battery Doorbell at night, and this infrared night vision on. There's two infrared LEDs, and this is what it looks like when I'm close to the doorbell, and this is what it looks like when I'm close to the door. So this is the video quality of the Reolink Battery Doorbell, and this time the infrared night vision is turned off and it's recording in color. And this is what it looks like when I'm close to the doorbell, and this is what it looks like when I'm close to the door, and this with my back porch lights turned on.
Alright, just a side-by-side comparison between the field of views of Reolink doorbells. Top left is the original black wired 4:3 aspect ratio, and at the bottom is their white wired 3:4 aspect ratio one. Their battery powered ones, either black or white, is 1:1 aspect ratio. We are going to test the notification speed of the Reolink battery doorbell, and I'm on my 5G cellular network and 1211. Let's check it out. Status light is on. There you go, not bad. And I don't have the rich notification, but when you click on it, it should open up the live view, and it should open up pretty quick. Cool. All right, so it's still 12:12. It's less than a minute. Let's see if there is a recording and notification cool off. Status light is on again. I should be getting a notification here, just like that. Cool. All right, now this time we're gonna see a doorbell push to notification speed. That is pretty quick too. And should open up the live view, and you can talk to the person on the other side. Okay, so we're gonna see porch pirate testing for the Reolink battery doorbell. I'm just gonna get the package and get out. Oh yeah, person detected. Let me see. Yes, can I help you?
Hi, is LifeHackster here?
Sorry, he's not here right now. You wanna leave a message?
No, that's alright, thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Yes, can I help you?
Hi, is LifeHackster here?
Sorry, he's not here right now.
Alright, for the second issue, the camera doesn't record the whole two-way talk event. It does record both sides of the conversation, but it seems to stop recording after around 20 seconds. And I tried this in both doorbells that they sent me.
Is LifeHackster here?
Sorry, he's
This is a software fix which they will be working on, but I'm not sure about the mic issue. And that poking probably hurt its weathered ceiling, so hoping they can fix this moving forward on their new units. Aside from that, I like the 1:1 aspect ratio on this, and I'm hoping they will have this option on their wired and PoE versions as well. Notification speed and overall responsiveness is pretty good for a Reolink battery doorbell. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.